Your favorite vacation? Where did you go? I traveled to Santa Marta. Who did you go with my sister. When was that vacation? 2 years ago. A challenging situation. What was that situation about? My first job. When did that situation happen? In 2008. I was 18 years old. What did you feel? Very confusing, with many questions and fears. A childhood memory. Which was that situation important in your life? With my sisters, we played, laughed, and were very happy. What old were you in that moment? I was 10 years old. Who were you with? With my sisters and my mother. Your favorite moment at the school? Who were you with? With my best friend from the school. When did that event happen? I found my best friend. Where were you? We were in the game room. I'm sorry, I don't have any pictures at the place where I'm quarantined. Sorry.